The 2026 Audi SQ5 arrives with a bold presence, blending sharp modern design with the kind of dynamic performance that keeps Audi's sport lineup ahead of the curve. Welcome back to DriveLine Daily, where power meets precision and every ride tells a story. Today, we dive deep into a performance SUV that's engineered to elevate daily driving into something far more rewarding. From its aggressive exterior to its refined cabin and punchy turbocharged output, the SQ5 stands strong as one of the most balanced performance SUVs in its class. The exterior immediately communicates strength and sophistication. Audi sharpens the SQ5's signature lines with a wider stance, a more sculpted hood, and a deeper single-frame grille accented in blacked-out detailing. The Matrix LED headlights are slimmer and more expressive, giving the FASA a high-tech edge, and the quad exhaust finishers complete the sporty persona. Newly designed 21-inch performance wheels add both aggression and elegance, making the SQ5 stand out without shouting. It's a perfect blend of athleticism and luxury, exactly what you expect from a modern Audi S car. Inside, the 2026 SQ5 steps up the game with a cabin that mixes clean German minimalism with everyday functionality. Premium Nappa leather seating with diamond stitching wraps you in comfort, while the flat-bottom steering wheel and brushed aluminum accents remind you that this SUV is built for spirited driving. The 12.3-inch Virtual Cockpit Plus, updated with richer graphics and smoother animation, pairs with the latest 11.9-inch infotainment display that includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Audi's latest voice-activated controls. The interior lighting system, customizable in multiple color themes, adds ambiance for nighttime drives, and the cabin insulation has been improved for a truly quiet and refined experience. When it comes to performance, the SQ5 delivers the perfect balance of power and control. Its turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 pushes out around 360 horsepower with instant torque and a smooth, responsive throttle. Audi's legendary Quattro AWD system works in sync with adaptive sport suspension to give you exceptional grip, sharp cornering, and a planted feel even at high speeds. The 8-speed automatic shifts clean and quick, keeping the SUV energetic whether you're driving on the highway or carving through back roads. The chassis tuning is noticeably tighter for 2026, giving the SQ5 that point-and-go confidence that sets it apart in the performance SUV segment. Safety takes center stage as well. The 2026 SQ5 integrates Audi's latest driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise with lane guidance, 360-degree cameras, blind spot sensors, rear cross-traffic alerts, intersection assist, and an upgraded emergency braking system. New radar mapping improves prediction accuracy, helping the SUV respond faster to sudden traffic changes. For families and long-distance travelers, this level of protection makes the SQ5 feel even more trustworthy. What makes the SQ5 truly special is its ability to do everything well: offer luxury, deliver speed, maintain comfort, and still keep practicality as a priority. With ample cargo space, refined ride quality, and the kind of tech that makes daily commuting easier, it's built for drivers who want a do-it-all performer without compromise. Pricing is expected to start in the upper $60,000 range in the US, depending on trim and packages. And that wraps up today's deep dive on the 2026 Audi SQ5. If you enjoyed this review and love exploring the world of high-performance machines, make sure you stay connected with DriveLine Daily. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let us know what you want reviewed next. Until then, keep your engines running, your roads open, and your passion for driving alive. DriveLine Daily, signing off with speed, style, and pure automotive excitement.